Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to allow everyone to add you to groups on WhatsApp using the desktop app. If you're someone who uses WhatsApp on your PC, you'll love how simple this process is with the new update. Let's get right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version so you have access to the newest privacy settings. Once the app is open, take a look at the left side menu where all your chats and icons are located. Next, click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. This is where you'll find all your settings options. Once you click it, a small settings window will appear with different sections to choose from. From there, head into the privacy section. It's usually one of the options in the list sitting close to account and notifications. This is where you can control who sees your info and who can reach you on WhatsApp. Inside privacy, scroll down a little until you find the groups option. Click on it to open your group privacy preferences. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see three settings available: everyone, my contacts, and my contacts except. Each option controls who can add you to group chats. To let anyone add you to a group, simply select everyone. This means that anyone who has your WhatsApp number will be able to include you in group conversations instantly. No invite link or approval needed. After selecting it, just close the settings window. Your change will save automatically. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp group settings on PC. From now on, anyone can add you directly into a group without sending an invitation request. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and share it with others who might need a quick walkthrough of this new WhatsApp feature. Stay tuned for more updates and easy tech tips just like this one.